Hey guys, sorry. Oh no, Jaws away. That's great. I'll get it when it comes back around through there. I'm gonna have to send it back up and then. Wait a minute. A train. And the garbage truck too. That's just a coincidence. It's not good, but a little blurry, but sorry. There you go. Hey. Don't silent. What feels like love? Okay, let's zoom out. Sorry about that noise. My brothers are just BBs, if you can hear them anyway. We got a lot of trash. Look at all that. It's all ours. Strobe light, because it's dark. I don't know why they came so late today. Garbage can flipped over about 50 times today in the driveway, so I see. I'm not sure what kind of truck, so don't ask me. I mean, I'll be happy to look it up for you, but I don't know. Yeah, guys, like I said on my couple other videos back, iPhone 5 camera. I used to have an iPhone 4 and couldn't zoom in or out, zoom in and out on video. So, see what I want you to see how fast they end up coming out. So, guys, I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. Something she comes out faster. Ever heard of garbage truck like that before? shoot, sorry. Focus, camera, focus. Sorry for guys, not focusing. There you go. I might take a video of bus 9 tomorrow morning. See how good quality it comes out zoomed in. See you guys later.